Sweetie Pie, and welcome back to my channel. I was going to kind of do a two-tone background, but now I feel like I'm off. Either way, guys, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Sweetie Pie. If you don't know who I am, make sure you subscribe. It is so hot in this freaking room today. It's like 35 degrees and I want to go kayaking today because we didn't really do anything this long weekend. We kind of chilled. I caught up on some filming and all that good stuff because we have been running around like crazy. I see Tigger on the floor over here. I'm going to try and call him over. Music. Okay, I'm not going to bug him for too long because it is pretty damn hot in here. Oh, is he going to go up to the camera? Go. Boop. Hi, baby. Alright, he's probably going to go up in the window now, but we'll see. Oh, are you going to block the camera? Alright, I wanted to come in here really quick, and now my background is so off. There we go. Alright, I wanted to come on here really quick and do this video because I was really thinking about it for a while now, maybe like a week. And there was a couple new releases that I was really kind of excited for, but when I actually took a look at my collection and took a look at them, I was just like, no, Melissa, you can't do anymore. You can't do anymore. So I gathered up all of the highlighters that I have. If you can see, the title is Why I'm Not Buying Any More Colorful Highlighters. It's not the fact that I don't love colorful highlighters, because I do. I literally have the Metal Crush highlighting palette from Kat Von D in my cart because it was on sale on Sephora, and I haven't bought anything in so long, but I literally have that one in there right now because it's on sale and it was like half price. But oh, take a leg. There goes Tigger. Yeah, it's just too hot for this. Oh. Anyways, guys, so I gathered all of my, highlighters together that were really colorful, and I just wanted to show them to you guys and maybe show you guys that you guys don't need these two palettes. So oh my gosh, the Anastasia one is so freaking pretty, and the Becca Cosmetics one was so cheap and so pretty, and I love their stuff, and I haven't bought anything from them for a while. But let's just get into this. So we're gonna start off, and I'm gonna link up in the top if I can, or down in the description of all of the reviews of these palettes. The first one I have here is the Becca Cosmetics. This was their Ocean Jewels highlighting palette. Really pretty, like super pretty packaging, and these are so light. They are almost like an hourglass powder. Wow, I'm sorry I'm so sweaty today, and I'm sorry if that's like distracting. Anyway, there are 5 powders in here. They are all really colorful and iridescent, besides maybe like these two, which are a little more wearable. They are, what are these? Sunstone and Coral Crystal. So I'm assuming this one's Coral Crystal and this one's Sunstone. But these ones here are really beautiful, but they are like colorful highlights. This one is a pink. This one is your like really cool like green yellow kind of deal, and then there is a blue one. Now these powders go on the face really pretty, but they are the lightest powders. They're like an hourglass, and they're not super creamy either, but they are very reflective. That purple one's not that great, but it looks pretty good on my hand. Oh, look at that blue one. Anyways, I have this palette obviously, and I do like this palette, but let's go on because there's more. Next, I have just a few singles, and I'm actually missing one. Okay, I'm kind of like, what the hell, because I am missing one, but the first one that I have that I'm wearing, I was wearing on my lips, I did a video. It was like 50 questions in 15 minutes, they're like TMI questions. Anyway, this is the Master Holographic by Face Studio. It's Maybelline. I have the rose gold one as well, and this one, the color is what? It's 050. I'm sure you guys have seen this one. This is a little bit chunky, but it is like one of those, it's one of those iridescent, colorful highlights. And once you blend it on the skin, it's not bad. But see, it shifts like a couple colors. It's like pink and it's like blue. Very pretty. I also have this one from ColourPop, Over the Moon, and it's the same type of deal. It's very pink. Very pink, shifty. So beautiful. I love all these highlights. I do. It's just, I don't think I need any more. And if you have been buying some of the stuff that I have been buying, maybe you don't need it either. I also have two of these Becca highlighters. My favorite one is missing in action somewhere, but this one is the highlighter Champagne Dream Flashes Bellini. I wish I had gotten every single one of these when they went on sale, because these are so awesome. This one is, yeah, Champagne Dream Flashes Bellini, and it is your more peach. Oh, so pretty. And I wish I have the Opal Flashes Jade. It's by far one of my absolute favorite highlights I've ever had. I really mean that, and I think it will always be in my favorites of the year because I love that highlighter. Ooh. Oops. There we go. Hair everywhere for my kitties, and he's sitting behind me. I have the Moonchild palette also from Anastasia. Oh, that's why. It was a little dusty. These are all super pretty. Pink Heart is more pinky, like, you know, your pinky duochrome. Lucky Clover, I love it, is that like yellow. You have like a silver here for some darker skin tones. Actually, I don't know if that would look good on darker skin. I'm not sure, but so so beautiful. Anyways, so we've got the Moonchild Glow Kit here. Then we have one of my favorites. I put it in my favorites of the year last year. This is the Becca Cosmetics Black Light Highlighting Palette. And it's beautiful. And it's all those, you know, those colorful highlights. There's lots of pinks. There's a beautiful blue in here that I can never pull off, but it's still very pretty. These can be a little bit powdery, but if you get them on the skin, like, bam! They're beautiful. They are so impactful. And last but not least, thank goodness, is the new Sephora. This is the holographic face and cheek palette. I have the contouring, the blush, and the highlighting one, and then I picked this one up. I want to get the spice one, and I probably will, but I will have a video up here of where I discuss this and the previous ones, and they have these three highlighters in here. One is that greeny shade, one is a really beautiful blue that I can't really pull off on like a natural scale, and then you have your pink. I don't need any more colored highlights, people. I don't. And it pains me to say that because it looks like brands just keep bringing them out, and I really want to be more proactive about my purchases now. Like, I haven't purchased from Sephora or really anywhere except for the drugstore in a good 3-4 weeks now, and it kind of feels good to know that you really should be careful about what you're buying. You know, think about it. And try to sweat your butt off in a room that's probably like 25 degrees. Alright guys, well that is everything today. I just wanted to come on and really quickly talk about how you're not going to be seeing a whole lot of colored highlights in this channel unless it's stuff that I have. Because I just think that this colored highlight trend might be moving out. I don't know what is next, honestly, because people really don't need any more highlighters, I don't think. If you are one of the people that don't have a ton of highlighters, comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts. And yeah, I love you guys so, so much. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go click one of these videos popping up here. I will wait. Thank you very much, and have a great, wonderful day, night, evening, whatever. Mwah. Bye!